好，同学们，我们一起来做几道数学的除法题，数式除法题。所以遇到这样一个数字以后，第一件事，这个题老师已经写好了，对不对？要算出来，你要把答案写在这里。我们先画一条长长的横线，一个撇，然后把这个数字分开距离，松松的写到里面，1、3、5、7、9，每一个占一个地方，这样你待会儿算的时候呢，比较好，别给它弄得太紧。除以5，5写在这儿。来，我们看看1里面有几个5，1比5小，肯定不行，挪到下一位。那13里面有几个5？一个5是5，两个5是10，三个5是15。哦，15比13大，不行，所以有2个5。2个5，2乘以5等于10，对不对？2乘以5等于10。那么再把它减下来，还剩下多少呢？13减10，剩下3。把这个5拉下来，现在是多少呢？现在是看剩下的这2个数，现在是35。35里面有几个5？有7个5。5乘以7等于35，对不对？这个一减等于0，哎，太好了。那么要把下面这一位再拉下来。拉下来以后，剩下多少呢？是7。这个不需要减，从上到下的关系都是减，但是这里你不需要减，因为这里没有数，对不对？0不用去管它。7里面有几个5啊？有1个，对不对？1 5得5，一减，7减5剩下2。然后再把这个9拉下来。29里面有几个5？5 5 25，还剩下4。这个已经是最后一位了，所以这个4是余数，余4。所以这道题的结果2715余4，好不好？来，咱们再用英文做一道题。Okay, so 4, 5, 7, 2, 1. 4, 5, 7, 2, 1. Just a random number divided by 8. There must be a remainder because the last number is 1. It's an odd number, and this is an even number for sure. There will be a remainder. Okay, the first thing, draw a long line, and you can make a house. You make a house with a curtain on the left side, and put a number right in. 2, 5, 7, 2, 1. Okay? Divided by 8. How many 8 inside 2? 0. Why? Because 2 is smaller than 8. Okay, move to the next step. Next digit, 25. How many 8 inside 25? 8, 16, 24, 3. 3 times 8, 24. Minus 25 minus 24 is 1. And this, the next digit, move it down, becomes 7. How many 8 inside 17? 2. 2 times 8, 16. right? Minus it. Okay, 17 minus 16 is 1. Move this down. Move the 2 down. How many 8 inside 12? There is 1. 1 times 8 is 8. 12 minus 8 is 4. This line move down. We have 41. How many 8 inside 41? 5. 5 times 8 is 40. And this is the last digit, the ones. So this is the remainder. And the result is 3,215, remainder 1. Do we still need to do it? I think we are good with this method. Okay, we do a little bit more complicated. So this one is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 divided by 89. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so put it down here. Make a long line. Put 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Leave enough room. Make sure you are comfortable. Divided by 89. Okay, how many 89 inside 3? 0. How many 89 inside 34? 34 is smaller than 89. 0. Okay, 345. 80. This is about 90. And this is about 340. So 90, 40, let me try. 2, 3, 4. 4 is too much. 3. 3 9 27 3 8 24 24加2 26 Okay, this disappear, okay? You do not count, only this number. So, 3, 4, 5 minus 2, 6, 7. This is 8. And this is 3. 3. This is... this is 13, 2. 13 minus 6 is 7. Oh, that's it. 9, 9, 8, 9, 72, 9, 9, 81, 8. Okay, 8, 8, 9, 72. 8 8 64 64 71 4 7 7 Okay, we can still do 8 7 1 2 5 3 and this is the remainder. So the result is 388, remainder 35. Okay, let's prove if we are doing it right. So let's prove it. The remainder is 35. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The remainder, I minus this remainder. And then this result equal to divide, no, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 minus 35. This is the result. This is the result. Divide by 89. Yes, we are right. We are right. Thank you very, very much.